Are you looking for most profitable business ideas? Are you looking for cheapest business ideas to start? Are you looking for best businesses to start in year 2021? Or maybe you are looking for an idea which can work in COVID also. If you are looking for this is the right video for you. Today I will be discussing about business ideas those are like profitable and they can survive in COVID also. Hi, my name is Nitin, and today we'll be going through step by step all this. I'll be answering all your questions. And to begin with, if you are new to this channel, I request you to subscribe to this channel. And if you have any questions, you can ask in the comment box also. But hopefully I will be covering all your questions by the end of the video. To begin with, first we have to accept the reality. We have to understand that there is no profitable business. Yes, I know you are looking for the profitable business, but what I'm telling you is that there are no profitable business. Yeah, you must be surprised, you must be shocked, but that's the reality and you have to accept that. Unless and until you accept that, you will not be able to take further steps on this. What I'm saying that the business cannot be profitable? No. What I'm saying that there are no business designs or business ideas by default which are profitable. There are businesses which are profitable, but they don't come as a default package. Those has to be made profitable by working on it. They don't come in a ready-made package that this is the profitable business idea. There are so many ideas or businesses running around, and most of them are failure. Some of them are successful. Why it happens with the same business idea? Because the successful people have applied that formula for the success. So that's why it's necessary to accept the reality that there are businesses which can have potential to become profitable, but still you have to work on it to make it profitable. You have to accept that reality. Like, first of all, like I was trying to ask myself why people look for profitable business ideas. So what I got two reasons for that. So first is that people are not ready to take efforts. They want something very easy. So if you are looking for something easy or simple things, business is not for you. Business is for the people who are ready to take efforts. At least in initial phase, they should be ready to take some efforts. When they put those efforts, then only they are able to sustain and grow their business. The second reason that I found was that they don't know how to make businesses profitable. You have to learn like how to make businesses profitable. Then only you will be convert your $1 million idea into a actually real business, because ideas itself don't have value. You have to work on those ideas and make it workable, convert it into business idea, and then that business idea will help you to earn money. So the second point is you have to work on those business ideas to make it profitable. Then to make it business profitable, you have to focus on certain areas. What I think is that there are three key areas which you have to focus in every business. It could be any business. You have to focus on these three aspects and your business can become profitable. The first thing is the customer. Your whole business operations, the idea, all the problems, solutions, whatever you are designing and developing, it should be oriented towards the customer. If it is not usable, it's not likable by the customer, then whatever may be your idea worth, it will not work. So you have to focus on the customer needs, their demands, what they are actually looking for. You have to solve that problem. Then second aspect is your products and services. The quality of your products, your services has to be minimally acceptable. That's by default given. But to compete others or to outperform your competitors, it has to be at least 9 times better than your competitor. Then only your customer will notice or will accept your solution or your product or your service in presence of the other competitors. Then the next point is you and your team. So if you are a solo entrepreneur, then you have to work on yourself, you have to train and develop yourself. And if you are working with a team, your team has to be also developed. Team also needs to be developed and trained to deliver those massive results for your businesses. Okay, so many people ask, like, what are the businesses ideas without any investment? So there are no businesses which can be done without any investment. Yes, that's my second truth bomb for today. And you have to accept that. If you don't accept that, it's your choice. I'm not forcing you, but that is the reality and you have to accept that. Investment can come in three different forms. It's either your money, you have to invest your money and then let other people work and provide those services for your businesses, or you have to put your efforts. And the third aspect is obviously time. Most commonly, the time and the money go hand in hand. If you invest your time, you might save some money at the cost of the time. But if you invest money, you can save some time. So now choice is yours. What is that you want to pick up? But remember this, there are no businesses without any investment. Because when we talk about businesses without any investment, you are telling me that you want a fruit, but you don't want to plant those seeds. Are you saying that? If you align with me, just comment in the below comment section that you believe in idea that you can grow fruits without trees. If not, just like this video and share with as many as people possible. Okay, so you have given me your attention, so I want to give a special gift for you. In the description box, I am giving a link to download a list of more than 100 business idea. Particularly if you are interested into healthcare domain or healthcare industry, I have given a list of more than 100 ideas into healthcare and wellness space. You can download that link, that list of ideas or business ideas from that link below in the comment section. Once you download, just put the comment that you have downloaded the business ideas, and I'm looking forward to starting your own business very soon. Thank you.